guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Vaishnavi and in today's video I am going to show you the lehengas. Yes, bridal lehengas, because you know in India or out of India also there are lots of people who usually decide to wear lehengas in their marriage or something functions, like some kind of occasions. So I thought I want to show you this beautiful lehenga collection. So keep watching our video. So friends, let's move to our lehenga and see our first lehenga. So as you can see here, wow, it's a really heavy and you can see the work on this lehenga. It's really beautiful and pretty. This whole lehenga is on velvet base. You can see this beautiful kind of velvet and it has some zircon kind of work, and that is really looking beautiful. So isn't all this lehenga is beautiful? You can definitely purchase this and sell all of these lehengas at your shopping place, or else you can add this lehenga at your business. So beautiful lehenga. Let me just show you the layers of this lehenga. This is the first layer, and then second layer, then this third layer, and then this fourth layer of canvas. So you can see the quality of this lehenga also. Let me show you the blouse piece of this lehenga. Look, it's this kind of beautiful blouse piece you will get here, and this is also on velvet base. Let's see the dupatta of it, and this dupatta is on contrast base. Look, whole contrast dupatta, and you can see the border of this lehenga. It also has a jerkin work and zari work on it. So friends, you can definitely include this lehenga at your business, and you can add 100% margin in this kind of lehengas, because you might have heard that there are lehengas that cost 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 50,000 and more than that. So are they really that much costly? No friends, they are not that costly, but the shopkeeper is adding that much margin, so it becomes too much costly. So let's move ahead and see our next lehenga. Wow, this next lehenga is actually like a royal lehenga, and it's really heavy lehenga also. You can see this royal look of this lehenga, and look, it has this kind of work on it. Isn't this really beautiful? You can definitely purchase this kind of lehenga and add your own margin. Let me just show you. This is the blouse piece, and you can see this whole blouse piece is actually kind of customized. You can see this is the sleeves, then these patterns, the back side, and this is the front side. So whole lehenga is on work base, and it has same to same color dupatta. Look, it has this coding work on it and zircon also. So friends, isn't this beautiful? You can definitely add this one also. Let me just show you the next sample of today's video, and this is this beautiful pink colors lehenga. Wow, this whole lehenga is on coding base. So now you might know what is the coding work. If you don't know, let me just show you. So you can see this is called coding work. It has this kind of different thread that is called coding, and you can see it also has some jerkin work, and then embroidery work, and then reshams thread work, and this all work is on velvet base. So this is also beautiful, and usually Indian bride love to wear velvet fabric on their special occasions. And this is on pink color. This is the dupatta, and this is blouse piece. This is also really beautiful. So friends, all lehengas are really beautiful. You can see this side. There are lots of samples that we are selling in Ajmera Fashion, because we are the first manufacturer who is directly selling all of these things to a retailer. That's why this is beneficial for you to directly join a retailer. In Ajmera Fashion, you will get lots of varieties, just like sarees, kurtis, dress material, ladies undergarments, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, all of these lehengas and lots of things. So this is the best place for all of you to join, to start your business and do your startup. So friends, let's move and see our next lehenga. Wow, this is a kind of different lehenga. it's kind of designer lehenga. It has a designer work on it. So friends, you can see this beautiful lehenga. Let me just give you the briefing of this lehenga. This is a kind of dupatta work. It's already stitched with this, and this is a pallu pattern, and something this kind of designer work you will get here. So something this kind of this thing is exactly. Let me just show you the exact work of this lehenga. It has a zari pattern on it. You can see this whole is a zari work, and it has different thread on it, and this whole lehenga is on silk base, and it also has a can. You can see this can inside, and this canvas, and this canvas, and this can, and this last finishing. The whole lehenga is really beautiful and attractive, and quality is really good. And this is the pattern of its blouse piece. Look, this is the blouse piece of this lehenga. Wow, this blouse piece also really beautiful. You can definitely add this one also in your business and sell this kind of product also, because these all products are 100% marginable. You can really add good margin in this kind of product. Let's move ahead and see the last product of today's video, and this is the designer lehenga on organza fabric. You can see this organza work on it. Now you might know what is the exactly organza fabric. Organza fabric is the fabric, it's versatile fabric actually. You can use this fabric anywhere. You can, if you want to add this more stylish, you can add also. Let's see the work on it. You can see the work on this top. It has khatli work and tone to tone colors, stone work, and whole design is really beautiful. Wow, this pattern is actually very beautiful. You can definitely purchase this kind of lehenga also. So friends, we have lots of varieties. If you want to know the price, if you want to buy this kind of products, you can definitely buy. But note one thing, you are not able to get single piece. You have to purchase all of this in a bunch, because you can only join us when you want to start your business. You can only join us B2B only. So I hope today's video was informative for you. You liked our video. If you did, please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So this is Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.